Hey Fit Fam. So I just got done with the 7-move, no equipment, 24-minute total body burner by Ebenezer Samuel. Met him, good guy. And Alex Islay. Have not met him, but looked through his stuff and looks very legit. Out of the December 2019 issue of Men's Health Magazine. Overall, would strongly recommend it. It's very athletic. You use your body, kind of train your body like you would use your body. Increases your coordination. Absolute calorie burner, will spike your heart rate and gets most of your muscle groups. Couple kind of things to add to that would be varying the intensity. If you're near the beginning of your fitness journey, this workout calls for a lot of explosive type moves, actually jumping off the ground. Totally okay to do all the same things, but not actually jump off the ground. Just kind of come up strong and powerful out of these movements. You don't need to jump. If you're more advanced, then given everything you got, just boom, explode out of each move. Get your heart rate even a little bit higher, bring it up to your level. Number 2 is when you think of total body, you can kind of simplify it down to 4 general areas. You got your push muscles, your pull muscles, your whole core, and your legs. This workout is absolutely great for your legs, for your core, for your push muscles. Does neglect the pull a little bit, so I added 3 sets of chin-ups to it, just so I could hit the back and biceps. If you're not quite ready for chin-ups in your fitness journey, totally fine to take a broomstick across 2 chairs, lay back inverted, and just kind of pull to it. Any sort of row type movement is going to be less intense than a chin-up, but still work the same muscle, build you up, get you ready for that eventually. But overall take home is wonderful workout. It takes 24 minutes, no equipment, no excuses. Give it a shot.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only one path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number 1. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so